When we know what is JavaScript specification and how we can write JavaScript code, it's time to switch to the place where we can run and write this code. Mostly the place where we can write this code. So I mentioned before that for using JavaScript you don't need any specific environment or IDE. We will talk about IDE later. So to write your code on JavaScript you need just the simple text editor. It can be your Notepad or any other text editor you can use. So in this video I will show you a few text editors you can use for writing JavaScript and some powerful IDEs. So let's start from the simple, it's Notepad. You can use any Notepad, but for creating code the very popular Notepad++ is absolutely free Notepad specifically for Windows. You can install it and use it. I would recommend it to try it because of it very powerful and easy at the same time. The next one what I can recommend you is Sublime Text. It's one of the most popular text editor for macOS, and I'm not sure if it's cross-platform, but anyway, for Mac it's the best lightweight editor you can use for creating your projects, creating your files, editing files, and a lot of other stuff. You can extend this editor with a lot of plugins and it will be much more powerful. The next one is Atom. Atom is a still lightweight editor which allows you to manipulate with your files, edit it, and create your JavaScript code. But in the same time, it's almost a powerful IDE because of right now it's very popular and a big number of developers are using this tool as a main environment for creating code. So take a look on this and try it. And what's very important, this tool is absolutely free, so you can try to use it. The next one, let's go to IDE. So what is IDE? The term IDE is Integrated Development Environment. It refers to a powerful editor with many features that usually operates on a whole project. So it means that it's not just a simple notepad which can help you to edit your file. It's a powerful IDE where you can handle and manipulate the whole project, the whole file structures. Also, in this IDE are usually integrated, not always, but usually integrated different tools such as version management system like Git, or some testing environment, or terminal or console for development. I will show you a sample with one powerful IDE. The next one what I will recommend you is more about IDE. It's already IDE, it's Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code, it's not Visual Studio, it's two different tools, but Visual Studio Code is free IDE for creating your code. Yes, it's from Microsoft, but this tool was developed very cool and a lot of developers are using them. A lot of my colleagues who I know, they're using this tool because it looks very simple. There are a lot of integration, the same Git integrated, and other tools you need for creating your JavaScript. So take a look on this tool, and it's one of the best. And the last one what I can recommend, it's WebStorm. WebStorm is product from JetBrains, and this product I'm using for the last 5 years, I guess, maybe even more. So it's my favorite tool for creating JavaScript because in this tool I integrate everything what you need. It's a great design, integration, a lot of different tools such as I mentioned before, Git, testing environment, and a lot of other. So first of all, it's not free, it has just 30 days free trial, but you can try to test it. Usually this tool is used by more senior developers who are working on some companies and they can allow buy it, or usually company provides license for this tool. So let's take a look how it looks. Here I have my IDE. So you see that we can see the whole structure of your project with highlighting type of file, what's inside, code highlighting, and you can see a lot of integrated tools. So let's take a look. What do we have? So we can use TypeScript, version control. We have different favorites, project structure, database integration, to-do list, or something else. Let's take a look on version control, and we can see that Git is completely integrated to this tool. We can see all commits and all changes what we need. Also, we see that we can do a lot of things. For example, we can format code, edit it. There is integration with version control system. There are different tools and everything what you need. So I would recommend you to try this tool. And the two more tools, it's online tools you can use for creating your JavaScript or sometimes for debugging. Usually I use this tool if I need to run some function or something a bit more complex and I want to know how it works. So the first one is JSBean, very popular. You can create everything what you need. So let's add a console result, and we will see a result of executing this JavaScript. So it's a good tool for testing, debugging your code if you have some small code snippet. And the last one, very popular, it's a CodePen. CodePen is an environment where you can create some script or application with HTML and CSS together with JavaScript and save this project and share with other people. At the same time, you can take a look on already created projects, something popular. So there are a huge number of already created tools. You can create them and share. So it's most popular tools and IDEs for using. So I would recommend you to choose one of the best, choose what you like more and use it during your development. So thank you for watching.